I did it myself, and I hurt myself. These little words ending in self or selves can actually mean two very different things. Hey everyone, today we are going to learn reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Words like myself, herself, himself, ourself, etc. Reflexive and emphatic both use some pronouns. Let's first see which pronouns come in reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Here, front of you, the slide is related subject pronouns and reflexive and emphatic pronoun. So when subject pronoun I we use, that time change into myself in reflexive and emphatic too. You singular, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, you plural, more than one, yourselves, they, themselves. Okay. Here the reflexive pronouns shows that subject does the action to itself. Okay. Here the subject and receiver or object both are the same person. And emphatic used to emphasize the subject. Okay, so here emphatic pronoun main verb emphasize the subject. Reflexive pronoun are used only when the subject and object in the sentence are referring to the same person. Okay, the subject और object एक ही person होता है, काम खुद पर ही हो रहा होता है, तो ये होता है reflexive pronoun. Let's come to the other pronoun. Emphatic pronoun emphasize the subject, stress the subject. If we ask who gets the action if the subject does the action to itself, it is reflexive pronoun. If the subject does the action and we just want to stress it, it is emphatic pronoun. Okay, with example we try to understand. I hurt myself while playing. Here the I subject, hurt is verb here and myself is object here. Rest of the while playing the rest of the sentence. Okay, now focus on I. I subject and hurt whom? Myself. खुद को hurt कर रहा है. So where the subject and object the same person, that type of pronouns we call reflexive pronouns. Okay, next one example. She looked at herself in the mirror. She subject, looked verb, at here the preposition and herself is the object. तो किसका impact किस पे पड़ रहा है? एक्शन का इम्पैक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट पे पड़ रहा है. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? herself है और she यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट है. तो she और herself क्या है? दोनों एक पर्सन है, तो ये रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन है. ओके, एम्फेटिक I myself completed the project. I here the subject और सब्जेक्ट को स्ट्रेस दे रहा है myself. Completed is the verb here and the project is the object here. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम emphasize जो हमारा कर रहा है माई सेल्फ इसको हटा भी देंगे, इफ यू रिमूव इट तो तब भी ये सेंटेंस जो है कंप्लीट है. आई कंप्लीटेड द प्रोजेक्ट. तो माई सेल्फ यहाँ पे सिर्फ स्ट्रेस के लिए काम कर रहा है, अदरवाइज इसके बिना भी ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट है. ओके, द प्रिंसिपल हिमसेल्फ गेव द स्पीच. वी कैन से दैट प्रिंसिपल गेव द स्पीच, बट हियर हिमसेल्फ वी यूज फॉर स्ट्रेस. So very easy we can differentiate here by the help of remove the self or selves here. How? If the sentence still makes sense after removing the self and selves, so that is emphatic pronoun. And if sentence does not make sense, so that is reflexive pronoun. Okay, so I hope you understood. Here necessary reflex just for stress emphatic mean remove self and selves word. If the sentence still makes sense, emphatic pronoun. If the sentence does not make sense, reflexive pronoun. Okay, here the example, you are blaming yourself. You is the subject, are blaming verb and yourself is the object here. So here जो आपका एक्शन है उसका इम्पैक्ट योर सेल्फ पे पड़ रहा है, जो यू ही है, सेम पर्सन है. सो दिस इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. आई सब्जेक्ट मेड वर्ब द डॉल्स हाउस ऑब्जेक्ट. तो माई सेल्फ क्या काम कर रहा है? तो माई सेल्फ से स्ट्रेस दे रहा है.